In this video, we're going to cover replacing the keyboard and the mouse on the Register system. So first we're going to go to the old mouse, and we're going to follow the cable just to make sure we're unplugging the correct USB device. And we'll just unplug that cable, and we'll move that mouse out of the way. And we will grab the replacement mouse. You will just go ahead, run the cable in an indiscreet area, and we'll plug it into any USB port available. In this case, I'll just plug it right back into the same port that the old mouse was in. Then we'll go to the old keyboard, and we'll follow that cable, making sure that we are unplugging the correct USB device. We'll go ahead and unplug that, and just kind of pull the keyboard away, and the cable should come with it. Then we'll grab the replacement keyboard, put it in place, and again run the cable in a way that it's kind of indiscreet, and we'll go ahead and plug that into any available USB port again. Once we see the numlock key light up, and you can press it a couple times just to make sure, but that will show you that it is connected. And you should be able to move the mouse around, and everything's working now.